Hello students, in today's class we are going to learn about operation on matrices. Operation. What kind of operations are possible on matrices? Like we learn about operation on number, especially arithmetic operations. What are these operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In the same way, on matrices also, we are going to learn operations. In this topic, operation on matrices, we are going to learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication. So let's start with addition of matrices. One thing I want to make clear that for operation on matrices, especially on addition and subtraction, the order of the matrices should be same. If the order of matrices are same, then only the operation on matrices, especially addition and subtractions, are possible. So let us understand how to add two matrices. So let's see what is addition of matrices. Suppose we have two matrices A and B of same order. We have a matrix A. Elements of this matrix are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have another matrix, that is matrix B, whose elements are 5, 6, minus 1, 8, 7, minus 2, minus 3, 4, 1. These are the two matrices we have. What is the order of first matrix? There are 3 rows and 3 columns in the matrix. That's why its order is 3 cross 3. In the same way, in matrix B, we have 3 rows and 3 columns. So its order is also 3. Then we want to add both the matrices. And we check both the matrices have same order. For doing the operation of addition in these two matrices, we have to add each and every corresponding elements. And in earlier classes, we learned what are the corresponding elements of the two matrices. So, when we are getting A plus B, when we are adding the two matrices, we are getting a third matrix in which the corresponding elements of the above two matrices will be added. So, corresponding element of 1, here it is 5. So, we will write 1 plus 5. For 2, it is 6. So, we will write 2 plus 6. For 3, it is minus 1. So, we will write 3 plus minus 1. 4 plus 8. 5 plus 7. 6 plus minus 2. 7 plus minus 3. 8 plus 4. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1. We got a new matrix A plus B. Let's solve this matrix. So finally we are going to get A plus B is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 2 plus 6 is equal to 8, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, 4 plus 8 it is 12, 5 plus 7 again we are getting 12, 6 minus 2 we are getting 4, 7 minus 3 again we get 4, 8 plus 4 we will get 12. 9 plus 1 it is 10. So students, here you can see we got a third matrix A plus B whose value is this. And one thing we can notice here that the order of this matrix is again 3 cross 3 because it have 3 rows and 3 columns. So we can conclude order of matrix will not change after the addition. And this is how operation of addition is performed on matrix. Now we will see the next operation on matrix, that is subtraction of matrices. Again the criteria is same, the order of two matrices will be same. So we will take two matrices. The first matrix is A, which can be represented as, suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our first matrix. Second matrix we are having is -2, -5, 7, 1, 8, 9, 4, 11, 20. These are the two matrices we have. You can see here the order of matrix is 3 cross 3. Again in this case order of matrix is 3 cross 3. Hence the order of two matrices are same. Hence operation of subtraction can be performed in this situation. So how to do subtraction? So we will write it A minus B. On doing subtraction, we will get a third matrix, that is A minus B. So A minus B can be written as this matrix minus this matrix. Again, the corresponding elements of two matrices are subtracted. To find subtraction of matrices A minus B, we can say that the corresponding elements of matrix B is subtracted from corresponding elements of matrix A. How to do this? Corresponding element of 1 is -2. So we will write here 1 minus -2. Corresponding element of 2 is -5. So we will write 2 minus -5. Corresponding elements of 3 is 7. So we will write 3 minus 7. Then 4 minus 1. We will write 4 minus 1. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9. Corresponding element of 7 is 4. So we will write 7 minus 4. Corresponding element of 8 is 11. So we will write 8 minus 11. At last 9 minus 20. So we will get 9 minus 20. Hence we can calculate the new matrix, that is A minus B is equal to 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, minus minus plus, so 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 3 minus 7 is minus 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 8 is minus 3, 6 minus 9 is again minus 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 8 minus 11 is again minus 3, 9 minus 20 is minus 11. Again, the number of row and number of column is 3 and 3. So order of the new matrix is 3 cross 3. And this is how we perform subtraction on matrices. Now we will see the next operation on matrix, that is multiplication of a matrix by scalar. What is this scalar mean? Scalar in simple word is a number. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn how to multiply a matrix with a number. That is called multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. So to learn this operation, let's have a matrix, that is A. A is our matrix. Elements of this matrix are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. One thing I want to make clear, that these operations can be performed on matrix of any order. For example, for simplicity, I am taking a 3 cross 3 matrices. And we have to multiply this matrix with a scalar. Suppose scalar k in this situation is 5. So we have to multiply this matrix with a scalar 5. So we will write it like k a scalar into matrix. It can be written as value of k is 5, value of a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, to multiply any matrix with any scalar, simply we have to multiply each and every element of matrix with the scalar. So we will get a new matrix, that is 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3. Same way. In the same way, 5 into 4, 5 into 5, 5 into 6, 5 into 7, 5 into 8, 5 into 9. So what we did here? We simply multiplied the scalar with each and every element of the matrix. So and finally we will get Ka is equal to a new matrix, that is 5, 10, 15, 5 into 4, that is 20, 25, 5 into 6, that is 30, 35, 40, 9 into 5, that is 45. Hence, we got a new matrix, and this matrix is the scalar product of 5 and matrix A. This is how scalar multiplication of matrix is done.